Hello and welcome. I'm Disha and I'm here to help you transform your house into a home. And today is a DIY day after a really long time, and I just want to share that Hobby Ideas just launched its Fevicryl fabric paint, and I could not contain my excitement because I have been waiting for this launch. And I just sewed these three cute pom-pom cushion covers a day ago, and I want to show you three different fabric painting techniques that are super easy so that you can transform your curtains, cushions, placemats, table runner, even your dresses too. So let's begin. How about turning this into this? Supplies you'll need are Fevicryl Fabric Colours, fabric, a piece of cardboard, stencil, a tray, paper towel, and a stencil brush. So first I'm gonna put this cardboard inside the cushion so that color doesn't seep under the stencil and to the other side of the cushion. I'm gonna use this stencil, paisley stencil. I'll just put it here in the center, and then I'll use masking tape so that this stencil stays in place. And now I'm gonna mix the colors. These are the colors. One is maroon and this one is flesh tint, and I'm gonna mix them. And this is the stencil brush, and this is paper towel or tissue paper to offload the paint. Okay, so what I'll do is I'll just mix these two colors. So this is the color that matches with pom-poms, so I'm going to use this color. And now I'll offload the paint. I'll just tap here several times and then on tissue paper so that there is no extra paint on this, and I'll then just start tapping on the stencil. Just remember that paint should be thick, it should not be runny. And let me tell you, after trying this fabric paint doesn't stiff, rather it stays smooth. Beauty of these fabric paint is that you don't need to iron it on the reverse side to make it color fast. Leave it just like that for 7 days, and after that it is good to wash. Now I'm gonna leave it like that for few minutes, and after that I'll just take it out and I'll show you. Okay, so now I'll remove the stencil and we'll see how it looks. Look at this. How lovely it looks. Beautiful, isn't it? So nice. Now second technique I'm gonna show you is this leaf stamping. So for that I have taken leaves in 3 sizes, and I have already kept this cardboard inside the cushion cover. Now what I'll do is I'll just pour the color, and using brush on the back side of the leaf I'll just apply the paint. For that I'll need any paper, cardboard or diary, anything, and then just apply paint generously on the back side of the leaf where the veins are quite prominent. See, I have applied the paint at the back side of the leaf, so I'll put that side facing the cloth and then gently press it everywhere, and after that just lift it up and I really love this effect. Now what I'm doing is I'll just paint half the leaf and then stamp it here, and then again half leaf, and then I'll stamp here. Now the third painting technique will create Ikkat effect. So for that I'm gonna put this newspaper inside it. I'll not put cardboard this time because I'll be using embroidery hoop as I'll hand paint it. Okay, so I have mounted the cushion cover on this hoop and now I'll be painting it. So this painting technique is quite simple. What I'm going to do is first I'll mark here. I'm using this flat brush 2 number. I'm going to mark so that I know where to stop, and then with strokes like this see the strokes, and this creates Ikkat pattern. Do you see the effect? It looks exactly like Ikkat pattern. It's quite difficult doing the painting with one hand and shooting with the other hand. So what I'm gonna do is I'll just switch off the camera, and then when I'll complete it, I'll show you how it looks. So the first pattern is complete, and now since pom-pom is in fuchsia color, so what I'm gonna do is I'll use fuchsia. So did you like these fabric painting techniques? Then give this video a big thumbs up, and don't forget to share your thoughts in comment box below, and I'll see you soon in my next video. Till then, wish you all love, luck and sunshine. Bye bye.